Hello friends, this is Komal and welcome to my YouTube channel Cosmetic Line. As name suggested, we are coming with new line, that is classification of cosmetics, and we are going to share a wonderful world of cosmetic with you. So, today we are going to discuss classification of cosmetics. Yes, I know that some of them also aware about the classification of cosmetic, but I am sure they only know about the product like cream, lotions and shampoo. But guys, classification of cosmetic is particularly based on its application, and second one, its physical form. On the basis of classification, they are further categorized as skin care cosmetics such as face cleansing product, lotions, milky lotions, etc. Second one is hair care cosmetics like hair cleansing product, hair growth promoter, hair grooming cosmetic, etc. And the third one, which is very favorite one, that is makeup cosmetics. Yeah, girls are very habitual to put it. So in makeup cosmetics, face powder, foundations, eye makeup and many more. The fourth one is fragrance product such as perfume and colognes. Fifth one, body cosmetics, soap, body shampoo, etc. Deodorant also, bleach, bath preparations, and in oral care cosmetic like dentifrices and oral care toothpaste and mouthwashes. And the last one is baby care product. And the second category is on the basis of physical form. On the basis of physical form, they are classified as emulsions, for example, moisturizing cream and cold cream. Second, suspensions, toothpaste and face packs. Third is powders. Fourth one is sticks like a lipsticks. Fifth one is oils like hair oil, baby oil. Sixth one is jellies like hair gel and skin gel. And seventh one is soap, shaving soap, toilet soaps, and lotions like aftershave lotions, astringent, and aerosol, which include hairspray and perfumes. This is all about the classification of cosmetics. Whatever form I discuss here, that will be studied in detail in our next video. Before that, we are going to discuss all this category in details. So, we are going to discuss in detail all the forms of cosmetics. First, we are going to discuss on the basis of application. As I already told you, they are classified as skin care cosmetic, hair care cosmetic. So, today we are going to discuss each form of cosmetics, and the first one is skin care cosmetics. Yeah, you know that what is skincare cosmetics, and many more follow the skincare routine to maintain their glow and texture also. So it is also important to know about it. So the skincare cosmetic includes skin cleansing cosmetics like bubble bath, shower bath, baby bath, oil bath, etc. Second, it include the transparent lotion like softening lotions, astringent lotions, cleansing lotions, and aftershave lotions also. The third one is milky lotions like moisturizing lotions, nourishing milk, massage lotions, cleansing lotions, sun protective lotions, and sunscreen also. Another form which comes under these categories is skin creams, which is also very popular form of cosmetic product, and wide range is also available in the market. There are n number of creams in the market. Some of them vanishing cream, cold cream, nourishing cream, massage cream, night cream, etc. The another form which also come under this category is gels, which include water supplying moisturizing gels, moisture retention oily gels, stimulating circulation massage gels, makeup removal gels, etc. Essence are the another form which comes under this category. These particularly include moisturizing essence, whitening essence and ultraviolet sunscreen essence. Also, we are habitual to put packs and masks. These are also the part of this category. Particularly include peel off type mask, wash off type mask and anti wrinkle preparation. The last form of this category is shaving preparation, which is particularly well known for men's cosmetic, which include shaving soaps, shaving creams, pre-shaving lotions, after shaving lotions, shaving gels and shaving foams. These all are comes under the skin care cosmetic. On the basis of application, the classification of cosmetic again classified as hair care cosmetics. Hair care cosmetics include hair cleansing cosmetics, hair growth promoters, hair grooming cosmetics, permanent waving lotions and preparations, hair colorant, hair conditioners, hair straighteners and hair tonic. Also hair bleaching product and hair remover is also the part of this category. Now let us see one by one. First one is hair cleansing cosmetic. In hair cleansing cosmetics, the well known product is shampoo. There are n number of shampoos are also available in the market, but particularly shampoos are also classified as clear liquid shampoos, liquid cream or lotion shampoos, solid cream or gel shampoos, oil shampoos, powder shampoos, aerosol and dry shampoos, conditioning shampoos, baby shampoos and anti-dandruff or medicated shampoos. Cleansing is very important. If we will not wash our hair properly, then there will be the chances of seborrheic conditions and dandruff will be increases and this will leads to danger conditions. The second one is hair growth promoter. The third one, hair grooming cosmetics, which include hair styling gels, hair spray, styling mousses, hair waxes, styling creams and hair oils, etc. The product which comes under this category are already listed here, so please go through it. The next one is permanent waving preparations. The another form of this categories is hair colorant. Nowadays there is a trend of hair color and there is a two type of hair color, which one is temporary and second one is semi permanent hair color and third one is permanent hair colors. The another form is hair conditioners. Depending upon the need of the hair, we can choose the conditioning. The next one is hair straighteners and the another form which comes under the hair care cosmetic is hair tonics. These hair tonics are particularly used for hair loss, for dandruff, for greasy hair, for dry hair and for refreshments. There are two types of hair tonics also available in the market, such as synthetic hair tonics and herbal hair tonics. The another forms which comes under this category is hair bleaching products and hair remover. And now we are going to discuss the important and favorite cosmetic of you, which is known as makeup cosmetics. Yes, I am damn sure this is very interesting for you and most of the favorite one topic. So, makeup cosmetics include face powder, foundations, lip cosmetics, rouges or blushes, eye makeup, and manicure and nail preparation. I know you all are aware about it, but just have a look on it. The face powders such as talcum powder, compact powder, pigmented powder, cake makeup, loose powder and baby powders. The next one is foundation, which include compact type such as powdery, dual use compact type, cake type, oily type and emulsion type. Also creamy type and liquid type foundations are also available. Lip cosmetic is also very popular, like lipsticks, lip gloss, liquid lipstick, lip balms, peel-off lip color, etc. Rouges or blushes such as powdery blush or anhydrous blushes are available. There are two forms, particularly powdery and anhydrous blush. And now we are going to discuss my favorite topic, and personally my favorite cosmetics is eyeliner, mascara, eyeshadows, eyebrow pencils and false eyelashes. Eye makeup is very popular and most favorite cosmetic product belong to this category. The last form, which is known as manicure and nail preparations, which is also come under this category, which include enamel remover, cuticle remover, nail bleach, nail cream, nail straightener, nail white, nail lacquer, etc. And again, classification of cosmetic on the basis of cosmetic application, classified as body cosmetic. These body cosmetics include soaps, body shampoos, sunscreen product, hand care product, deodorant, bleaches, bath preparation, insect repellent, food preparations. These all are belong to body cosmetics. First one is soap. This is also very well known form of cosmetics. So I think so no need to discuss on it. There is a type of soaps which include toilet soaps, transparent soaps, sanded bar, deodorant soaps, liquid soaps, floating soaps and paper soaps. What is toilet soap or transparent soap, that will be discussed in our next video. Second, body shampoos. There are two forms of body shampoos. First one, transparent body shampoos, and second one is non-transparent body shampoos. The third form which comes under this category is sunscreen product. Includes sunscreen creams, lotions, after suns product, sunscreen spray, sun oil and sunscreen stick, etc. The second form is hand care product such as moisturizing cream, protective cream and gels. Deodorant and antiperspirant also comes under this category. Bath preparations, which include foam baths, bath salts, bath oils, dusting powder, bubble baths, shower bath, oil bath and essential oil baths. Insect repellent is also the form of body cosmetics. It is also the part of cosmetics. Cosmetologists are also formulate the insect repellent, as there is a myth this is the part of pharmacy, but cosmetologists are also formulate and develop such kind of products. Classification of cosmetics also include fragrance product such as perfume, which include Eau de Cologne, Eau de toilet water, Eau de perfume, solid perfume, fragrant powder and perfume soap. Men's cologne is also the part of fragrance product. These all are the form of cosmetic product. Apart from this, oral care cosmetics are also the part of cosmetics, which include toothpaste, mouthwashes and tooth powders. Now we are going to discuss the last step of this classification is baby care products. During the formulation and development of this product, there is a special care is needed because once it will contaminated by microorganism, it will spoil the product and harm to the baby. So there is a special section in industry and there are certain process during the formulation that will be discussed later in our next video. Under the baby care products, baby lotions, baby cream, baby oil, baby powder, baby shampoo, soap, nappy cleanser and baby baths are come. So guys, this is all about the classification of cosmetic. Hope so you will like it and easy to understand to you. Guys, if you have any doubt, then please discuss with us through the comment box. We will try to solve your doubts. And I want to tell you one more thing is that if you want to discuss any another topic related to the field cosmetics, then please write in comment box so that we can discuss that topics in our next session. And don't forget to share, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching and stay connected with us. We will bring a new interesting video. Till that, bye bye, take care and be happy.